Battery-powered floor scrubbers and sweepers are highly popular, and for good reason. In commercial settings, they can save you a significant amount of time and offer many advantages for larger facilities. One factor you need to consider to have your floor machine operating in optimum condition is the type of battery you should use. This decision can have a substantial impact on the efficiency of your business and employees. While lead-acid batteries are the least expensive battery solution, they come with major setbacks. They are bulky, heavy, and normally require daily or weekly maintenance. They also decrease in capacity over time, which decreases the operating life and runtime. Lithium batteries are increasingly making their way onto the floor cleaning market due to their sustained performance. They can improve power, runtime, longevity, and downtime, which will certainly improve the overall efficiency of your floor machines and their operators. If you look at all the benefits, they're hands down the best power solution. Let's break down why. Lead-acid batteries have around 300 to 400 cycles before they start to lose power and capacity. This means you're replacing batteries more often, which also means downtime, heavy lifting, and disposal that no business wants hassle with. Lithium batteries, however, provide up to 10 times more cycles than standard lead-acid, so you're not replacing batteries every 2 to 4 years or more. Relion lithium batteries provide improved productivity by allowing electric floor scrubbers and sweepers an increase in runtime and range. This is because a lithium battery provides the full rated capacity, regardless of the rate of discharge. There is no voltage drop through the whole discharge cycle with lithium, so your equipment will run as fast at the end of the shift as it did at the beginning. Lead-acid batteries experience a voltage drop and typically lose around 20% of their power during a shift. This means operators will experience more hours of productivity when using lithium batteries with sustained power throughout discharge. Plus, lithium batteries typically charge in half the time. Lithium batteries are rugged and built to last, so they're more difficult to damage. They can be opportunity charged without negatively affecting the battery, which can significantly extend the range of your equipment per shift. Plus, they can't be overcharged because the internal BMS, or battery management system, like the one engineered inside the Relion Insight series batteries, offer built-in protection against overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, overtemperature, short circuit, and cell imbalance. One of the most important benefits Relion lithium batteries offer over lead-acid is the total savings obtained when you consider the complete cost of ownership. Although the upfront cost is higher, lithium batteries can reduce total costs up to 50% by lowering maintenance, battery replacement, labor, and charging costs, which all add up to substantial savings. Saving money and improving productivity are critical priorities for your company. You can accomplish both by using lithium batteries. Relion has one of the largest lithium product offerings in a variety of BCI standard sizes for easy drop-in replacement. In addition, Relion can customize batteries, enabling outside manufacturers to integrate them into their own products. If you have questions about how to get set up with Relion lithium batteries for your business, contact our team of battery experts by giving us a call or visiting relionbattery.com.